All right, so with our book previously created, there might be some cool things we can do. So let's do that with Mask and SelMask. With SelMask, anything that you paint becomes unusable. Um, Meaning, let's see, we painted that. All right, that looks better. All right. So let's say we painted this black. We use the clay tool and we want to make some changes, some textures or whatever. Everything that's not black, we can actually modify. We can this way we can be like, hey, like we have the cool texture here, but the spine is pretty strong. It survived through trauma. Let's see, and let's do the flatten, soften. That's good. Okay. So right. That's good. Okay, now for SelMask. SelMask is a little more complicated, or I mean not complicated, a little more useful, more. You can build like more shapes. You have more, I guess, more options, but let's see. Let's do brush. Same thing. Can't really touch anything. One really cool thing with Cell is if you click the options, Cell, and do like, you can do engraving, emboss, extract. Let's go with shell here with extract. And so whatever was marked with black has become extracted. So there you have it. All right, let's go back. Let's get rid of, let's unmask some stuff. So go to, no, other way around. Because we only really want to worry about the front right here. So let's go to SelMask back, extract. There we get our extrusion right there. All right, and to clear things out, just go to clear. That's it, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Let's see, go to brush, smooth things out. And there we go. All right, there we have our interesting book with some Mask and SelMask options. And as I said before, try things out and see where things go.